That long form video you're about to post has 10 pieces of content hidden in it, and in this video I'm going to be telling you exactly what type of content you can get from one long form video. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you the cheapest way to always have these 10 pieces of content weekly. All you just have to do is to shoot one long form video and you already have 10 to post on your platforms for the next few weeks. I've been working with brands to create content for them for the past 5 years, and one thing I can tell you for free is that getting content ideas is usually a problem for some brands. Imagine having one video and that one video produces 10 content ideas that you can post or easily use to interact with your audience for the next few weeks. 4 out of the 10 content ideas are reels. Now you're going to take that one video and take it to CapCut. I created a video that can help you convert one video into different reels. Now you can go and watch the video. I'll put the link in the description. After converting the video into 4 reels, you can post it on your platforms and put the link to the original video in a comment section so that when they get value from that reel, they can go and watch the original full video on your channel. The fifth content type is carousel. Now you want to take out the main step or the main framework of that video and turn it into different slides of carousel that you can post in your platforms. Then again, you can add a call to action like your reels, put the link to the original video. If they want to find out more about the topic, they can just come to your channel and watch the full video. To do this, you can just call out any designer or even use AI models to come up with slides, but make sure that you are guided, like you prompt it very well so that it does not give you any design generic or a design that is outside of your brand. The sixth content type is to turn that long form video into a tweet. Now you're going to get the most interesting part if the video had a tip or if it had something that you know that people will normally be interested in. Take that piece of content and convert it into a text and post it on Twitter or post it on Facebook. For platforms like TikTok and Instagram that does better with pictures and videos, you can just put it into a small design, put a background to it and add your logo with your brand colors, of course. The seventh piece of content is a quote. This quote is literally underrated among different niches because, come to think of it, if you can come up with a quote that people can think about or that they can relate to, you can really get engagement from this content type. So come up with a quote and put a design to it and just post it on your platform. If the platforms is like X, you can just make sure you have a static image of your quote so that you can put it on your platform, and that's a whole new content piece. The eighth content piece is getting a blog out of your videos. All you need to do is to write a blog. Now get your video and take it to one of these free online transcript sites and get the transcript of your videos. Take it to an AI model and give it the prompt to write it into a blog, and then you take the blog and post it. This is usually very helpful when you have a website and it is linked to your YouTube channel as well. If you're looking for a way to do this, you can check out the description of this video as well. I also created a video on how you can turn your videos into transcripts to get the text from your video. Next content piece you can get from your long form videos is to get an email post out of it. Now take the most interesting part of your video or the point from your video and write it into an email and send it to your email list. Now this will make a lot of people want to know more about it. You can also add a call to action for them to check out your channel if they want to get more information on the topic. Now if your video has a behind the scene, that could be your 10th content idea. Now this is when you take the back end of you trying to make the video. If it's a tutorial, let's say it's a cooking tutorial or baking or whatever it is, just get the behind the scenes and put it as a reel. Now what you can do is to add the different clips together and make it and increase the speed a bit so that it gets to be very interesting. You can decide to add the voiceover. So you can see that one long form video is enough to give you 10 ways to interact with your audience. Now a cheap way a lot of creators get different content from their long form videos is just to hire someone, probably someone that knows how to design, how to do prompting, how to edit videos, to get it out for them. But sometimes the downside of it is that imagine hiring someone to do it every single time. How much will you pay for it? So it is usually on the high side. That is why I came up with a program to help creators to turn their content into different content types. So I literally help creators and brands to create content from what they've already done. You can just email me and then we'll talk about how you can get weekly content type from your long form videos. I do this with brands a lot. I can also do it with creators. If you want to do it yourself, just stay glued to this playlist because I usually update it with video tips, conversion tips, how to do a lot of things by yourself.